Today's video is all about making money online by selling printables. Now, you might be thinking, what are printables? Printables are digital products that can be printed out and used for a variety of purposes. They can include things like worksheets, calendars, checklists, planners, and more. And the best part is that they are easy to create and can be sold online for a profit. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in creating and selling printables is to choose your niche. Your niche is the specific area or topic that your printables will focus on. It can be anything from fitness and health to home organization and productivity. The key is to choose something that you are passionate about and that will resonate with your target audience. Step 2. Create your printables. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to start creating your printables. There are a number of tools and resources available to help you create high-quality printables. Some popular options include Canva, Adobe Creative Suite, and Microsoft Office. When creating your printables, be sure to focus on the design, layout, and overall user experience. Step 3. Set up your online shop. Now that you have your printables ready, it's time to set up your online shop. There are a number of platforms available for selling digital products, including Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify. Be sure to choose a platform that is easy to use and that will allow you to showcase your products in the best possible way. Step 4. Market your printables. With your online shop set up, it's time to start marketing your printables. This can be done through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Be sure to focus on the benefits of your printables and how they can help your target audience achieve their goals. So there you have it, a complete guide to making money online by selling printables. While it does require some work and effort up front, selling printables can be a great way to generate passive income and build a successful online business. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.